Welcome to September 23rd pre-market video. We're looking at the Dow again, and here's a pattern that's been happening for a few times now. Today, basically, we had a bar that we negated yesterday's bar, basically. And in a sense, we could have seen another bar making new lows, but instead of doing that, we made a new high compared to yesterday. And we're looking at the QQQ right now. It's about the same thing, except that it just gapped up and came back down and then finished higher than the low of the day. So it can kind of rallied back. If you look at this small bar right now, so that's very interesting. Went sideways, but when you look at the bar itself, it's what you get. And the same for the SPY, but instead of going down like everybody would have expected, because some people just get ready and they try to short right when they see that they see a new low being made and then they short. But we are in such a tough market to short because obviously we've had uptrend after uptrend, all in the same uptrend, but move up, correction very quick, and then again another move up. So you have to be quick if you want to short, and the trend is really to the upside right now. We'll get to a point where it will change, and I'll start to get with some puts. I'll start trading with puts a lot, and you'll see it. You'll see it when it comes, and get ready. If you want to learn a little bit about that, it's maybe time to start looking into it. Actually, maybe I should try to put something together, just a basic course, because when we'll have a correction, that's interesting. It's tough to short penny stock. I like to go long with them, but shorting large cap stock with option is a good way to do it. So KNDR just staying in the same range, just drifting down, but always being accumulated. There's nothing big happening. It's just a question of being patient with that one. And as I said, we already had a good run, so it's not like it's going anywhere, right? We're in good cushion. It's almost 2.5 our cost, so that's very nice. Now on Water, what we had today was a decent LT pullback. I would have liked to see it, maybe just open a bit stronger and correct, and maybe stay 12, 11. But hey, I guess some people that were able to buy early were, I don't know if it's panicking or taking profit and seeing, but I think this one has some lag. It's a turnaround situation. I made some research, made some phone call, because like when you see a lot of volume happening like that, and it's a company that used to be pretty active, it's something is being put in place, and you want to be part of it. There's big volume and big buyers behind it. Hopefully it's not this that will repeat itself, and I think that we have a good shot because we have very good volume. So any of the sellers there, people that bought basically, that are now sellers, I've probably cleaned out here, and that's what we're going through. So it's good. I've been putting bids at 11, 10.5 this morning, 10, just to see where it goes. And I did pick up some, but it was not tough. It was not easy. Sorry, it was tough to get, and I didn't want to chase it back. I just want to let it maybe stabilize another day or two, and we'll see when it gets going. So GTA, as I said today, if it was to go back up to this level, was an entry back over the 94, was an entry, and it did. So I took a small position in it. This is tough because the stop loss that we use is far. It's like 15 cents, almost, probably more like 20 cents to really have a good, like a good protection using the low of this bar. So it's a bit more risky, but hey, that's part of the game. If this one explode, if I look at this chart just to look at the bigger picture of it, it's trying to explode past this, and then it could be a pretty big ride up. So that's worth taking a small shot. Okay, and you can see the increase in volume right here. So that's it for GETA. DPHIQ is just pulling back. KNDR we checked. HYGN stabilizing, so you keep it on your watch list. MDOR, you know, whatever we had yesterday just was reversed, so that's a no-go for me. That sign, you know, it just basically that breakout should have kept going today, did not, so I'm out, and we'll see what happened next. It's not consistent with what I like to see, and it's already high. And it actually, I want to show you one of the thing is it, you know, basically went from there with big volume. Now it's, you know, it wants to go, but it's not ready to go right now. That's basically the signal it's giving me. So, and Nene, I want to comment that again. It didn't make, or it didn't continue what you know, what I was discussing this morning. The way I look at it, or actually just previous to Tuesday's trading day, what you want to see is big increase in volume. We're not having it right now, so you know, it just doesn't. It's not there. It's not ready. And what do you want? We'll have to wait. And the same thing with EDWY. The volume was not in there. So on this, this will close or end this video right now. I have a few other stock that I'm looking at, but right now I think I'm just waiting and trying to position myself even more in WTAR. The first leg up was very strong, and you know, I don't think it's anything bad if we can buy over this breakout area and close to that point and make a good position, build a good position. So if I have anything else tomorrow, I'll send that to you real time. And on this, I wish you a good trading day on Wednesday, and I'll see you here for Thursday morning. Thanks a lot.